Hey, thanks for checking out this review, guys, of the CRAFTSMAN 16-gallon wet or dry shop vac. Had this thing for quite a while now. Absolutely love this thing. Really lightweight and durable and sturdy. Easy to move around, as you can see here with the wheels. You can see we got the empty room. We just painted, put new floors in and everything. Some of the things I like about this right here is a good, I'd say 6 feet long. So it's easy to reach up in the ceiling or tough spaces, things like that. And another cool feature on it, other than being the vacuum itself, if you disconnect the hose right here and get it out, you can connect it on this side, do the same thing, tighten it up in there, and it actually becomes a blower. You can see right here it has the side clamp that you can put on to store some of the attachments and accessories. And as I mentioned, overall inside, it just has a lot of space. You can see all the junk from the carpet and everything we've ripped up. My filter needs cleaned right now. It's pretty dirty from a lot of the home projects we've been doing lately. Now, when you want to use it to be a wet vac, you can unscrew this right here, pop the filter off. There is another little filter you can use on there, so when you're sucking up some water, I currently don't have that right now. My dog chewed that thing up. But you could still use it as a wet vacuum if you wanted. And then what's nice as well, there's like the little spigot right here. You can unscrew that for when you do use it as a wet vacuum and drain everything out from the bottom side. And then these latches right here, once they are connected, it's on there. It is sturdy. You can carry that thing around. Right now it's upstairs in my house. I've taken it down to the basement up here. I use it pretty much everywhere within the house. Overall, I've been really pleased with this. Again, it's 6.5 gallons. I believe there are larger sizes, but for what I use it for, just around the house and in the garage when we're doing projects and everything like that, it works perfectly. Again, it's super lightweight. It's not too big, so it's easy to carry and move around. And it's been a little bit since I put it together, but if I remember correctly, it was very easy. These black kind of legs here, if you flipped it upside down, they just snap in. And then the same with the wheels. While you have it upside down, just push up and the wheels will latch and lock into place on the legs there. Definitely does its job. I've had this thing for 5 years now, have not had any issues with it.